What's up? It's your girl Bams. I'm back with another video. Today is another story time on why am I single. Today we have a rotisserie drumstick and what's that? The whole drum quarter, and some cucumbers with some apple cider vinegar, seasoned cucumbers, help with the digestive system, you know. So go ahead, kick up your feet. That's not the way it goes. So go ahead, take a seat, kick up your feet, but don't ask for nothing to eat because your girl is hungry. I'm not going to do nothing but dig right in. Yeah, I'm hungry today. This is my first meal of the day. Hey, that rotisserie chicken meat though, fire. I like that. So, and here I got when I was a little girl, my mom used to cut up some cucumbers and put it in some vinegar with some salt and pepper. Well, I put in some vinegar, tomato bouillon, chicken tomato bouillon, and some ground peppercorn, and it's fire. I have some hot sauce for my chicken. What else I got? Some more hot sauce. I'm just pulling anything and everything out my drawer. Sweet heat sauce. Anyways, if you look back a while ago in my videos, you will see that I was in a relationship with a guy that I was slightly unhappy with because he was just so angry, and our relationship became stagnant, and I put it on my YouTube channel expressing myself, and some of y'all got mad and just, oh, that's your personal business, don't put it on the internet. Wow. But anyways, since then, me and him has broken up. So basically, yeah, in our relationship became stagnant. I told him, look, I do not want to go around in circles over and over again. I'm not making no adjustments. You're not making no adjustments. And this relationship became at a standstill, or not growing. We're arguing too much. And I refuse to look at all those fruits and vegetables back there. I'm getting ready to start juicing some juice. So I refuse to start letting years go by being unhappy. So I told him, I said, look, we've been together for what going on. There is a fly in this house. Hey, I just got them buying some fly killing spray. So they better watch out. So I told him, I said, I love you, but this relationship is not working. Go ahead and start finding yourself a new girlfriend. You can still stay here. We can still, you know, be parents to our child. But I don't see a future with you. And I need somebody I can build my future with. So, several months went by. We were still arguing. The arguments got worse. And I just stopped caring. And it just became, I just would walk in the house and it would just be awkward between the both of us. But anyway, so time went by and he came to me one day. He's like, Antoinette, I think I found a new girlfriend. I'm really digging this girl. I'm like, okay. That's great. And I felt like I wouldn't been able to move on from this relationship as long as you're still staying in the house. So I couldn't say that I was 100% single if you're still staying in the house. And I try my best to encourage him to move on and move out and get his own place, but honestly, I think he was scared. Why else wouldn't you want to move out a place? Why else would you want to stay in a place where you're not wanted? Oh my God. And he refused to move out. And I wasn't trying to call the police. It wasn't that serious, I guess. Anyway, it took a lot of time for him to actually get to know this girl, make sure that she's good for him. I was like, please, can you move in with her? We were arguing so much that it was unhealthy for my child. I also had 2 other children here at the house. And my oldest daughter was tired of him yelling all the time. And she tried to step in. That situation was no good. So, you know, time goes on. I'm in this stagnant place, waiting for him to move on, waiting for him to find the courage to move out. I can't figure out who I am when you're still in my face. I can't figure out what I'm supposed to be doing with my life if I'm still around you, because I'm still irritated. I can't hear the tuitions and all the things that's, you know, the little voices that's in your head that's telling you your rights and your wrong. I can't hear it. So, anyways, he eventually moved out. He eventually fell in love with this girl. I'm so happy. He's been gone for April. He's been gone out the house for about 3 or 4 months. His stuff was still here since maybe a few weeks ago. He finally came and picked up all his stuff. The girl found out that, I guess he didn't even tell the girl that we was living together. During their whole dating time, she didn't even know. One day she texted me and she's like, she had my number because you know, over time he would bring my daughter over there. And my youngest daughter and her created a bond fast. And I'm like, well, if my daughter's going to be over there, I need her number for emergency purposes. She texted me and she's like, how long have you and James been broken up for? I was like, since she met you, basically. You still live with me. I guess he told her a big old giant lie. That he had his own place. I don't blame him. I was really scared too. I'd probably be scared to tell my new boyfriend I'm still living with my old boyfriend, you know? But anyway, so she put him in the doghouse for like a month. After that, he came, got his stuff, he fully moved in. I've been completely single for about like a month and a half. I mean single, I mean like just living by myself, having my own space, my own brain, my own thoughts. Just being able to focus on the things that I want to focus on, which is me, myself, and I, and my kids. And this place that I'm in right now, being 100% single, is pretty cool. I don't have to worry about fixing nobody's plates at the barbecues. I ain't got to worry about if you come in to the bowling trip or not, because you don't like bowling. I don't got to tend to nobody's feelings. I ain't got to worry about nobody cheating or anything like that. I don't have to worry about nothing. It's just me, myself, my own thoughts. So you have to really be careful in this place, because you are so free that you have the capability of doing anything from overeating to becoming a hoarder to, you don't have that person there to give you the reason to clean up or to cook a big, nice, fancy dinner. You know, that love. Oh, you do little sweet things. Oh, I'm going to cook today. Oh, I'm going to do this because he likes this. You know, you don't have no motivation to do any of that stuff anymore. So it's slightly a danger zone. I have cooked a lot less. I have cooked a lot less, but last time I became single, I told my boyfriend he needs to move on because I don't like him no more. He found himself a girlfriend. He moved on, and it's just been hitting me lately that, you know, I can do whatever I want to do, and I have to make sure that I stay focused for myself, for my kids, because you can accidentally lose track here being in a single world. But it feels good not to have to worry about nobody else's feelings, but you also have to be careful or not to give up on certain things. Anyway, I feel like I'm talking too much. I'm single. I am not ready to mingle. Right now, I feel like I'm getting older. I need to start spending, and my kids are older, so I need to start spending more money on myself. Get myself up to par. Make sure I don't get old fast, because I just turned 38. If you're still here watching this video, thank you guys for watching and listening to my rant on how I'm single now and how I'm adjusting to the single life. And I'll probably talk more about this later. Keep you updated on how my single life is going. Because I know after you be single for a while, you get tired of it. But I don't think so. I've been in 2 long relationships. My first relationship was 15 years with my first 2 kids. He was a good man, but he had too many women off to the side. And then this one was 7 years, and he was a good man too. He was too strict. He was too strict, and we came from 2 different backgrounds. He was raised different than I was, so my expectations from a man is different from his expectation from what he's supposed to be doing, and it wasn't matching. I still love both of them. We both still have good relationships, but I haven't been single since the age of 19. And now I gotta figure out who I am and what I'm supposed to be doing right now. So, you guys comment down below if you're single. Let me know how you like it, what you're doing. Thank you guys for watching. And until next time, bye. Bye.